Use me wisely. Write on both sides of my pages before starting a new one. Don't waste paper. And when you've filled me up, recycle me. That way, I can be turned into something new and helpful. I am knowing it's in good hands, ready to be filled with the child's imagination and creativity. Hello friends, I am Pencil. Use me wisely. Don't waste me or throw me away when I get small. There's still so much I can do. I can write stories, draw pictures, and help you learn amazing things. And when I'm too short, you can recycle me so I can become something new and useful again. Dear child, please save me. It whispers in the quiet of the classroom. Use me wisely, write with care, and erase gently. I am a canvas of knowledge, a gateway to learning. When you no longer need my lessons, clean me thoroughly so I may teach again. Let's preserve this